थोड़ा मैं एक डायग्राम लेता हूँ इंटरलॉकिंग स्पर के लिए. लेट मी टेल यू दिस. देखो, let us say here is a mountain, right? And this river is flowing final to the nearby ocean. Okay, fine. Now this river is originated here and going toward this side. Finally meeting at the ocean. Remember this part here. This is known as the upper valley of a river. This is the middle valley of a river. This is the lower valley of a river. You remember one thing in the upper valley. One thing you please remember. Here always valley deepening or vertical erosion is maximum. Here you have mostly middle case में valley widening or lateral erosion is more. Here we have deposition of sediments. यहाँ पे वैली अगर बहुत डीप करेगा तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, वी शेप्ड वैली बनेंगे. यहाँ पे क्या बनेगा, गॉर्ज बनेगा. हियर यू हैव न्यूमरस वाटरफॉल. बट यहाँ पे क्या है, वैली वाइडनिंग. यहाँ पे वाइड होगा, वाइड वैली, वाइड रिवर वैली एंड meandering of river. रिवर meandering होगा. Meandering of the river starts here, and here in this case deposition already written. Here distributaries of the river develops, forming delta. Meandering of river forming Oxbow Lake. And interlocking spur. Oxbow Lake, here we have two things will develop. पहला है interlocking spur as well as second one कह रहा हूँ Oxbow Lake. Last year you got a question on Oxbow Lake, interlocking spur, meandering of the river. देखो आप सही, V-shaped valley you got it, gorge you got it, waterfall you got it, upper valley में होगा. Lower part में delta formation will be there. Meandering of the river start in the middle part. Now I'd like to discuss about this, why meandering start and what type of landform will be there. Erosion will be more in the upper part because of vertical deepening, more erosion, and this side the material will goes downstream. अगर ये अंदर जा रहा है ना and valley widening is there, the sediment get started depositing here. Gradient is less here, you see. Less gradient, more and more water. तो spilling off होगा. Spilling off हो गया बैंक से बाहर चले जाएंगे पानी. Water will go out of this, forming a flood plain. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Flood plain. Wide river valley. यहाँ पे और एक लिखिए FLOOD, flood plain. Flood plain will develop here. In this time, we have flood plain will develop. Middle valley regions, we have flood plain development. Flood plain क्या है? Because of the spilling up of the water during heavy rainfall and all, the bank will get submerged. That like on both sides you have water from the river will spill up it, and it deposits sediments, very finer sediment at the coast, at the margin, and this is called as the flood plain. Flood plain, the plain which are developed during a flood because of deposition of sediments. Sedimentary deposits से जो flood जो plain बनेगा known as flood plain. If this is the river here, let us say here is a river. ये river ऐसे flow कर रहा है. This is the river which is flowing here, right? During the flooding time, you have like this much of sediment is there. This is the flood plain here. इससे बाहर जब आ जाएंगे ये है flood plain. This is the flood plain here. The water will go from here to here. This is here is flood plain. इसको क्या कहेंगे? Flood plain. This is the flood plain. This is the flood plain. Flood plain, both sides you are having flood plain. Is it clear to you?